Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my November Kill a Kit. So, this is a pile of mess, let me tell you that. Let me show you what I started off with and how I got there. So I went through my papers and I decided to pull out papers from companies that are no longer around. So I have some Jelly Bean Soup paper, probably going to use it for this polka dot. I have this wood grain that has farm animals on the other side, so probably the wood grain. This red paper with a floral on the back, and I actually really love this red paper. I also have some October Afternoon cherries on one side. I'm going to use it for the dictionary. And then we have this gingham and kind of this floral. And then I have another brown polka dot and then this floral. Now I also have this paper from Daisy D's, and I have two of them. And I'm not sure how I feel about this orange side yet, but I like this side, so I grabbed both. Now I have some Cosmo Cricket. This has pencils on one side, a ledger on the other. Then I dug into my Chatterbox, and I have these. These are thinner papers. They are double-sided. They are thinner papers, but I picked them out for these kind of neutral texture colors. Now I get into my basic gray. So these are the papers I was thinking of using. I'm not sure which one of that one. I'm really not sure which one of that one. Oh, I got both. Yay! I like them both, so I picked both. I got both sides. Probably not the bicycles. And then this guy right here. Now, this is really poorly put together for you guys, isn't it? So anyway, this is what I am thinking paper-wise. So I just went ahead and picked out a bunch of papers that really don't have anything to do with each other coordinating-wise. They're really just papers from companies that are not around anymore. And I just went for it. So I wasn't really worried if stuff went together. I wasn't worried about that whatsoever. I just decided that I was going to go with it for these papers. And then I went into my stash and grabbed things that I thought might go. So I have these Tim Holtz plastic black ideology things. I have some Gossamer Blue chipboard, which is another company that's out of business. I honestly don't know if this is all Jelly Bean Soup cork or not. The You and Me is. The other stuff is not. No idea where it came from. I do have this Vicky Bouton sticker book that I have not touched. So I grabbed that. Another Gossamer Blue sticker sheet. I have this one today from Dear Lizzie, so I figured probably should use up that. Some puffy stickers. Some stickers. I grabbed these Let's Stay Home from Pink Fresh because for some reason I have 2 packs of them. And then I grabbed some more Pink Fresh here. And then these are actually Jelly Bean Soup, just combined on this packaging. I pulled out some rhinestones that I've had for a while. No idea. This is 2013, so grabbed those. These are October Afternoon label stickers, so figured we needed those. I pulled out some Love from Lizzie peel-offs. I have the hearts, and then I also have this green and then this black. So I thought those were, you know, important to have. And then I have some embellishment type things. So I pulled out these foam stickers from Kate and Ash because I felt like there was a lot of colors in here that I could use. And then I have jelly bean soup kind of labels, not a lot left. Some wild asparagus, not a lot left. But these are some things I wanted to use up. Jelly bean hasn't even been opened yet. I grabbed these stickers from some One Canoe 2 collection. These stickers from Vicky Booten. Pretty sure that's Wildflower and Honey. I have these stickers from My Mind's Eye, and then these from Cocoa Vanilla. And then I have some chipboard from Basic Gray, this chipboard from Bella Boulevard, and this chipboard from Echo Park. And then I have a couple paper house things. So I have some cork, and then this little family sticker pack that I have not used. So this is going to be basically the kit, and it's a little huge, you guys. Like this is definitely big, and who knows what I'll be able to kill. And then I decided to grab two colors of flowers from my stash. These kind of creamy, buttery yellow ones, and then these teal ones. And I'm going to see if I can't get these guys used up as well. And then, of course, I brought in a little bit of washi tape. So I have kind of this matte antique gold, this matte glitter gold, and then I have this teal dot. So those are the washies that I pulled. That is my kit. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you think I'm a little bit cuckoo because I just went and pulled out old papers that from companies that are no longer around that I like. So yeah, I really did nothing coordinating wise. I just looked at the stuff and thought, oh, I like that, I'll pull that. So hopefully we'll be able to make some pages this month. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you again real soon for another video.